Can I maintain my healthy habits while raising a brand new puppy? That is the question. If you're new here, I just got a puppy 2 weeks ago. She is right here. She is 9.5 weeks old. Such a nugget. Let's show her. This is Layla. Say hi, Layla. So I am trying to get back into the swing of things. I did a half marathon last weekend and I'm trying to get back on my gym game, all that good stuff. So it's definitely been a little more complicated having a brand new puppy, and to make matters more difficult, my husband has been away actually for a couple days now. So I've been single mom puppy parenting as well, but she's a very good girl and we're trying to get through together, you know, and we're just having so much fun. I did reach my goal weight several months ago and I'm in the point where I'm trying to maintain now. I would like to lose maybe 5 to 10 more pounds of fat, but right now I had kind of put that on pause while I was marathon training, and now I have new puppy stuff going on. I know it's never the perfect time, but right now it just doesn't feel great either. But hang with me if you just want to see like my daily life, trying to stay healthy, being super busy. I feel like you can relate. Like whenever I watch content like this, I can relate. So I would love to cheer you on though. So comment below, what are your goals right now? What are you working towards? Because I would like to give you some hype as well. And definitely subscribe if you want to follow along on the journey. If you want to watch Layla grow up, I think that'll be fun through the vlogs to see her, you know, go from nugget phase to like teenager phase, and you know, eventually she's gonna be an adult doggy. So, oh my God, I'm just looking at her squishy face. Look at her. And if you want to see a really fantastic cameo, I am meeting Celine Ferocious in just over an hour. We are going for a walk and she's gonna meet little baby Layla while she's teeny tiny. She's not teeny tiny, but you know what I'm saying. So yeah, definitely keep watching if you want to see me and Celine hang out too. Okay, so I had this Trader Joe's tortilla from Trader Joe's, but it's like a Spanish omelet. So I'm gonna have like half of that for breakfast approximately. So I just thawed it out and then I am gonna heat up a piece of the half. Okay, I'm brilliant. So I thawed it for 3 minutes, but I decided I'm gonna cut the pieces so that next time I can just take out what I want. So I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. Okay, outfit. I have on my Run to Remember tank top that I bought, and then this is the Pop Flex sweatshirt. I think this is the Target one though, but these are actual Pop Flex leggings, like the real brand that I ordered. Holly necklace, of course, and we're going for a walk now. We're on our walk. Cameo. Good job, Layla. Good job. We made it home, didn't we? Are you tired? 11 o'clock, watching Love Island, making a little snack. My parents are coming over to meet Layla, and we're gonna go out to lunch, brunch, something or other. But I am starving, probably because I went on that walk with Celine. Sorry, I couldn't vlog much just because I had Layla and like it was like a lot. Because, you know, like we were talking the whole time and I'm holding Layla, and I'm sorry. I should have vlogged more, but sometime when Layla is more used to walking, maybe we'll have to do it again. But yeah, so I'm having this snack. It is a caramel rice cake, and then I mixed vanilla Greek yogurt with some protein powder. I added some chocolate chips and a strawberry. It's time. So good. Little creamsicle moment. It is absolutely pouring out. Whoa. What do you think, Layla? What do you think? Good morning. It is 5 a.m. and I got my Dunkin' tote bag. Am I crazy? Yes, I am. Don't they look so pretty? I'm gonna freeze some of them because I'm definitely not eating all these, obviously. So I'm gonna put them in some bags. I don't know which one. It's been a long time, but I'm making bagels. So they cook for 30 minutes at 375. There they are. 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt and 2 cups of self-rising flour. Mix it together, do a little bit more flour. I personally like to refrigerate the dough overnight because I find it's a lot less sticky and it's easier to work with, but you can just like use a bunch of flour and flour your hands and stuff, and that will work too. I just think it works better when the dough is cold. But yeah, making protein bagels. It's been a long time. Bagels are done. Look at those beauties. Hello. Fit check for arm day. I'm wearing Gymshark and I'm really excited about it. Lunchtime. Look what I got. Isn't it pretty? Who is that? Oh my god. Hello. Is that you? What do you think, Lila? Lila. Hello. Say hi. Hi. Look at her. Look at her. Good morning, happy Tuesday. It's 4:50. I'm getting ready for the gym. For Pride, we're having Rainbow Week at Burn, so I'm wearing orange today. Yesterday was red, if you don't remember. So this is Fabletics. We have Metcon. I'm a little worried, but hopefully this will work out. I'm home. Guess what? It's Chicken Tuesday. Happy Wednesday. I'm wearing CRC Yoga. I'm obsessed with this outfit. It's yellow today for Pride Week, and I mean, come on. Lunchtime. Snack time. Happy Thursday. I'm hanging by a thread here, but I had to wear this green outfit. It's Lululemon, fast and free, energy longline bra. We have body weight conditioning. The dog woke us up 3 times to go out last night, and guess who's the one who has been taking her the past 2 nights? So yeah, I am exhausted, but I'm just gonna take tomorrow off because it's leg day, and then I have a 5K Sunday. So I was thinking like I could cancel today, but I'd rather just not go tomorrow. I'd rather not do leg day when I have the run on Sunday. Just like take 2 days of rest for that. Makes more sense to me. Oh my god, she's fucking barking. Is she barking because she knows I'm up, or is she genuinely barking right now because I'm so annoyed? Workout done, and it was my favorite. Oh my god, I should have got the board. Honestly, I'm way off my game. I am sorry. It was body weight conditioning, self-paced with building laps, which like it doesn't get any better. So even though I felt draggy today, the moment I saw the board, I was all in. So there were 2 sets. The first set I made it all the way through, like did the whole thing. The second set I didn't. It was a little bit longer, but I still really, really, really pushed myself. And tomorrow I'm just gonna take leg day off. I think that makes the most sense. And then I already am taking Saturday off. They have yoga on Saturdays once a month, so I'm gonna do the yoga. And then Sunday, Bern is doing a 5K for this charity called Girls on the Run. So I'm going to be doing that. So I figure if I take leg day and Saturday off and then do the 5K Sunday, that should be really good. I talked through it with my Whoop and my Whoop agrees. So yeah, that's the plan. I need to go inside for the monster now. Told you she's a monster. Sometimes I don't know why she's barking. I just don't. Hi, Layla. Happy National Donut Day. You know I'm celebrating. This is when last year I was doing 75 hard and I probably technically failed because I ate a donut and that's not allowed, but I just did what I wanted to do. I did not show you my outfit. I am in survival mode with this puppy situation. Vlogging has kind of somewhat gone out the window, but I'm trying here, but it's tough. But I am wearing my shirt dress that I got at Target that I really enjoy. I have an awards thing this morning, so I don't always wear something fancy on a Friday, but I wanted to look nice. I'm home and I'm doing laundry. Okay, so now it's almost 5. I have to bring Layla out because she seemed like she wanted to go out. She had just gone out when I arrived home, but I feel like it's been a while. All right, before I take the dress off, this is what we're working with. Happy Saturday. I'm wearing Buff Bunny. It's Rainbow Day at Bern. So this was the closest I could come. And I'm liking it. I'm just doing yoga. I'm not doing the actual gym session because Whoop and I discussed me taking a couple rest days because I have the 5K for Bern tomorrow. Cute or monster? Cute or monster? It's the Half Cookie's birthday, so I had to go celebrate with them with this dot cake ice latte. Oh my god. This is my cinnamon bun from the Half Cookie. And these are the cookies. These are Nutella, and that's like a thin, I guess. So I'm gonna be bringing these home, nibbling on them later. So I'm running early for yoga, so I went to Lululemon. I did not get anything. I was hoping for some sale stuff, but it's all mixed in, so I guess that's good so that I wouldn't just like browse and find something that I didn't need, but I don't know, I like when it's all separated out because sometimes I have things in mind and I just forget. Anyway, I'm gonna go to yoga. I feel kind of full, so I just had some cinnamon bun. Layla and I are going to the farmer's market. She just pooped and I cannot find a trash barrel anywhere. My Layla necklace came. I ordered it from Etsy. It's so perfect. All right, so let's see if it worked. So I clipped each one to the other one. Now let's flip them around. So they're different colors, maybe because one of them is much older. But the Layla one is like super gold and the Holly one is not. So yeah. So pretty. You want to do stuff in the front? We are going plant shopping. Okay friends, it's Sunday morning and it's time to close out the vlog, so thank you so much for watching. subscribe for more, give the video a like and a hype if you have the hype button, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.